Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Google Cloud account, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the verification process and access cloud computing services. Step 1. Navigate to cloud.google.com in your web browser and click on Get Started for free, or sign in if you already have an account. Step 2. Sign in with your Google account. If you're creating a new Google Cloud account, you'll need to provide basic information and agree to the terms of service. Step 3. Google Cloud requires payment method verification for most accounts, even for free tier usage. You'll be prompted to add a credit or debit card to verify your identity. Step 4. Click on Billing from the navigation menu, or follow the prompts to set up your billing account and add payment information. Step 5. Enter your credit card details, including card number, expiration date, and security code. Google will place a small temporary hold on your card to verify it's valid. Step 6. Provide your billing address and contact information. This information must match your payment method details for successful verification. Step 7. Review the temporary authorization charge on your card statement. Google typically charges $1 or your local currency equivalent to verify the card, which will be refunded. Step 8. Some accounts may require additional identity verification. If prompted, provide the requested documentation, such as a government-issued ID or business registration documents. Step 9. For business accounts, you may need to verify your organization by providing business details, tax information, and proof of business registration. Step 10. Once verification is complete, you'll receive a confirmation email from Google Cloud. Your account will be activated, and you can start creating projects and using Google Cloud services. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.